Hey guys, and welcome back to my newest video. Today I have my curly hair routine. Here is my favorite shampoo and conditioner from Olaplex. I'm gonna leave the names down below. And detangle this hair because it is very tangled. I'm coming back with the detangled hair and freshly washed. Yeah, you couldn't see that because that would be disgusting. And also that pimple is a little bit but we're here, we're fine. Just here refreshing and going to, start with my favorite products to style my curls. This is using no heat products. I don't use a diffuser yet. I do want to try that routine out. But we're starting out with this Carol's Daughter Hair Milk. This is a leave-in moisturizer, which is a must. If you're a curly hair gal like me, it is very important to moisturize your curls. And I do tend to have like a drier hair because mine is, tinted. I recently, well, before quarantine, I did have some balayage done to me, and I do have like blonde hair, which blonde tends to damage a little bit your hair. So I'm just putting all of that moisturizer all over my curls. Don't be afraid of using more product to moisturize your hair because it is very important for the curls to be looking a little bit more hydrated and fresh, and we don't really want that dryness, to come or peek through. So for me, it's very important to get every single, area of my hair. And yeah, I think it's very important for me to let you know that you can go with a lot of leave-in. Here I am refreshing my curls with this hair milk refresher spray. I feel that to extend the moisturizing look on my curls, I feel that it's very important to use this kind of product like a hair milk, or sometimes people do use water. But Carol's Daughter has this really good product that my friend showed me, that it does give like a more refreshing look and hydrated look. And you can also use this when your hair is dry. So the next day when I do get my, bedhead hair, I do like to refresh my curls once again with this product. After that, I finish it all off with this Garnier Fructis Curl Sculpt Gel. I used to hate gels because I feel that they give like a really dry kind of situation on your curls, but here I just use a tiny bit and scrunch up the curls. I don't put it on the rest of the curls, just on the ends of them, so they can form and do give that more formed look of the curl, if I can explain myself like that, if you understand. But yeah, it's very important to just put a little bit of gel so the curls, you can see right there, look really, really defined, and I love that kind of look. And that's basically it. I don't use any kind of heat like I mentioned earlier. I just let it air dry, and I would like to use a diffuser in the future. I've never had the necessity of using it, but I think that I want to try it in the future to have even more defined curls. But this is it. I hope that you like it. And this is how it looks, a little bit more dry. Now it's drier, but I wanted to come up and show you how it looks after a little, like an hour later. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you see my next video that I will try and upload every single weekend during quarantine. So Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.